Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that line M in the xy plane contains the points 2, 4, and 0, 1, where I'll switch the following is an equation of line M. So if we notice, these equations are all in slope-intercept form, where we have y is equal to mx plus b, right? Where m is just some number and b is just some number, right? For b, for example, m is 2 because we have 2x, and then b is 4 because there's a plus 4 on the end. And what these represent in the actual graph in the xy plane, m is the slope, it's the rate of change of y over x, and then b is the y-intercept. And so to find the equation in slope-intercept form, we have to find the slope and the y-intercept. Except this is a multiple choice problem, so we know it's one of these. So if we can eliminate 3 of our options, we know that it's the final one, so we might not have to find both. And which is easier to calculate? Well, if you don't know the y-intercept, then you do the slope first, and then you use that to find the y-intercept. But we're given the point 0, 1, which is on the y-axis, and if it's on this line, that means it's the y-intercept of the line, right? The y-intercept is the value of y, 1, when x is 0. So our equation is going to be y is equal to mx plus 1. And we don't know what m is yet, but we don't need to, because only one of these equations has a plus 1, right? For this equation, the y-intercept is 0, 3. For this one, it's 0, 4. For this one, it's 0, 3. So we know none of these are correct. D is our only option left. This is what I was saying. We don't even have to find the slope because we've eliminated all the other options and we know it's D. But as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.